Hello everyone, this is Michael Androwski. I'm back with making more videos today. And first off, before I mention anything, we're going to do these unboxing series. From the previous video I did today with the What I Got video. So first off, I'm going to unbox the 50th anniversary 50 Heaven Metal Years to Judas Priest. So let's open it up. But first, let me show you the design. Alright, let's open it up. So, I haven't done much today. I just relaxed and then took a shower. And here I am doing the unboxing for those who wanted to know what my whereabouts on YouTube. And the last video I made was the Now City collection update. Excluding the next unboxing I'll do in a separate video. So, hopefully I'll get this open in no time. Alright, I'll just open up like this. Okay, we got it, I think. Hang on, folks, this is frustrating to open. Alright, now it's open. Alright, here's the Judas Priest 50th anniversary thing. I'll put the bumper sticker on next. And I'll show you the insides next. I'll put this way here. So as usual, this is what it looks like after it comes out of the box. And voila. Looks like that. Alright, that's it for part 1. Part 2 will be coming up shortly, so thank you for watching.